Hey guys, welcome to the channel. In this video, very quickly, I will show you how to install TeamViewer on Windows 11. So firstly, you need to go to the website, which is teamviewer.com. After that, go to free download. And as you can see, TeamViewer is free unless you're paying for additional services. Just press on download now and download TeamViewer. From the left, this is going to be your providing support application. And if you just want to receive support, you need to download quick support. So based on your needs and on what you actually want to do, download the corresponding piece of software. So in my case, I will just download this stock application for providing and receiving help. Then just open it. So as you can see, my TeamViewer is already installed, but installation is extremely simple, just like any other app on Windows. Okay, and after that, after opening the app, you will see that you will have this sign into TeamViewer window. If you have an account, you can sign in. Maybe you're paying for something, have a premium subscription. And on the right, you will have your ID and your password. So if someone wants to connect to you, they will need to provide both of these data in their device, a PC or a mobile. And after that, they can connect. If you want to connect, just press on this field right here, insert their ID and password and connect. So guys, so this is how to use, mostly install and also to use this app. Very simple. Like on the video if you enjoyed it, subscribe, leave a comment. See you soon.